here in Valencia. It's a great pleasure for me to be here in this special occasion and talking about something that I really appreciate, that I really love, to treat my patients with one of the best options that, in my opinion, we have nowadays to treat aesthetic problems in terms of in the field of implantology.
So it's fantastic to see the results that he has with all the cases and how easy he does every challenge, and it's amazing to see how all the course he follows and show us scientific evidence, so to see and understand what happens when we choose these kind of implants to use in the cases. Fantastic, and I really recommend for everyone.
I'm glad I'm here with the TBR company, with all my colleagues, and I will be glad next year or maybe in the next courses to present also my new cases with the TBR implant, and maybe with my same analysis for the roughness of the titan, and also for the new surface of the neck, of this neck in zirconia.
Since I use Z1 implant with the zirconia color, I noticed faster and better healing, like twice than the all others tissue level implants I used.
I find that doing this prosthesis on implant with zirconia color that have a good advantage rather than the classical ones, especially if you go fully digital with the protocol.